Hello there. This is Leslie McGeagh. Sorry, there was an ant crawling on me there. Sorry, I am out in nature, so I should expect something like that, shouldn't I? Leslie McGeagh of Leslie McGeagh Hypnosis here. And today we're doing something special. Today we are going to be activating our inner healing and connecting with the elementals. So that is one of the reasons why I am outside here, because, the elementals are all around us at all times, regardless. When we call upon them, however, it's always nicer when we're close to nature. It's easier to connect with them. And when I talk about elementals, I'm talking about fairies and ents, and those would be in the realm of elementals. So welcome. It's an absolutely beautiful, glorious day here, as you can see. And today we are going to be working with Reiki healing energy, and just working with the energy of nature. To help me along today, I have a couple of stones. Those of you who know me know that I am absolutely nuts about crystals and stones and their energy. So today I have with me this is called a fairy stone. It's a fairy, or a fairy cross. Some people call it a fairy cross because it naturally forms a cross here. And then I also have a goddess stone. And again, the goddess, Mother Earth, they're all connected. And one of the reasons that I wanted, there are many reasons why I wanted to have these stones with me today, but one of the reasons is I actually have these in my office, and the way I have them in my office, and I bought them separately, so this just is absolutely fascinating, but they fit together perfectly. So the fairy stone and the goddess stone are fitting together absolutely perfectly. So I wanted to bring these with me today while doing this this guided healing, calling in the Reiki healing energy, calling in the energy of the earth. We all have that capability of bringing that energy into ourselves, bringing in universal healing energy. So today we're just going to be working with those energies, working with clearing and balancing the chakras, and just connecting with each other, connecting with the earth, connecting with the sky, connecting with everything that is all around us. So the first thing I'd like you to do is, and you can do this outside. That's great if you're outside. If you can't be outside, that's perfectly fine too. We have these wonderful, wonderful sense of imagination that we can all tap into anytime we want. And even if you cannot physically be outside, you can still tap into the imagination and just imagine yourself, get that feeling, get that sense that you are sitting outside, leaning up against a tree. I have an affinity with trees. My husband will always joke. We'll be out for a walk somewhere and I'll just kind of veer off and touch a tree, and he's always joking. It's like, are you communing with the trees again, kind of thing. So, and yes, I am. So my back against the tree feels absolutely wonderful, bringing in that energy. So enough talk. Let's get into the healing. So the first thing, just allow yourselves to take a couple of nice deep breaths, focusing on the breath for a moment, just breathing in deeply. And if you haven't already done so, just allow your eyes to gently close. Just focusing on the breath, focusing on the inhalation, the out breath, and just noticing how the body feels breathing in and breathing out. And the breath brings us to our center, it brings us to our core, it helps us to reconnect, to begin to turn down the volume on, or in some cases turn off that chatter in our own minds. So focusing on the breath, bringing yourself to your center, to your core. Just being aware of the supportive surface beneath you, behind you. Allow yourself to connect with the healing energy that is all around you. Some people find it beneficial to rub your hands together, and if that's something that works for you, then just go ahead. You can begin rubbing your hands together. Just know that even if you are not physically participating in this healing, and what I mean by that is if you are not physically moving your hands around your body or touching the different parts of the body, that's okay, because you can just be aware of the fact that through this video, I am sending healing energy to everybody. I'm sending healing energy into the earth. I'm taking healing energy from, and I'm also returning it. So once again, if you feel that this is something that you would like to do, just go ahead and rub those hands together. And now as you pull your hands apart, just notice that you're able to feel the energy now between those hands, and know that when we rub our hands together like that, it helps to sensitize the hands, the nerve endings, and it makes it easier to be able to feel the energy. So for me, it's almost like a ball of energy between my hands that I'm able to play with. And if you aren't able to feel that, that is perfectly okay. So just know that the energy, even if you're not able to feel it, the energy is there. Now, just allow the energy from your hands to spread through your body. And perhaps if you would like, you can take your hands and place them on the crown of your head. And feeling that healing energy traveling in through the crown of your head. And feel that energy travel down through the chakra system. Feeling it travel down through the crown of the head, all the way down to the base of the tailbone. I'd like you to imagine, pretend, get a sense, get a feeling that that energy is now traveling down out of your tailbone, down into the earth beneath you. Feeling that energy creating a root that travels down, down, down into the earth, traveling all the way down to the very core. Now notice the energy from the earth, the wonderful healing earth energy, as it begins to travel up through that root that keeps you grounded. Feel that energy as it comes up that root, connecting with the base chakra. feeling that base chakra as it spins, keeping you connected to the earth. Feeling the energy. Now imagining, getting that sense, that feeling, that as you sit firmly connected to Mother Earth, feeling that healing energy coming up through the earth. Your awareness begins to expand out around you. Perhaps you are able to sense, to feel the presence of the elementals all around you. Feeling the energy of the fairies coming forward. Feeling that fun, loving energy that the fairies bring into play. Accepting the healing energy that they bring. Opening yourself fully to receive. The healing energy as that base chakra spins, cleansing and clearing, bringing healing, renewal to the body. Feeling and noticing now as the energy from Mother Earth travels up now to the sacral chakra. Feeling the sacral chakra spinning. A beautiful orange color. Just feeling that healing energy as it spreads through the abdomen and the pelvis. Noticing now as the healing energy from the earth now moves up to the solar plexus. Feeling that beautiful yellow glow from the solar plexus. Feeling the power build within you. Relaxing into the energy, traveling up, up, up. Now reaching the heart chakra. As the heart chakra spins, opening up, and perhaps here you could imagine a beautiful pink rose. And it slowly begins to open fully as your heart chakra opens, feeling the love all around you, bringing physical, emotional healing to the body, to the mind, to the soul. Seeing now as these first 4 chakras spin in unison, in harmony, bringing everything into balance. And now as you breathe deeply, just become aware of beautiful golden light coming down from the heavens above. And as that light moves closer and closer, you feel the crown chakra open, wide to receive. This golden light connects with the crown. Be aware of the crown chakra spinning, cleansing and clearing, feeling every part of your scalp surrender under this beautiful golden light, and feeling the crown chakra spinning as this golden light now moves down to the third eye. Feeling the power, feeling the intuition building, opening. Now allowing that golden light to move to the throat chakra. Opening your voice, enabling you to speak your truth, to speak freely, to speak truthfully, to speak compassionately and from the heart. As that light now moves down to the heart chakra. And as these two energies connect, the healing energy from below, the healing energy from above, as they both connect, creates a vortex, a beautiful spinning vortex within the heart chakra. And you allow this healing energy, this vortex of healing energy from Mother Earth, from the skies above, from source energy, feeling them mixing, mingling, traveling up and down the chakra system, traveling down into the earth, And as these healing energies travel down into the earth, they're dispersed from the very center of the earth. And these wonderful healing energies begin to make their way from the very core of the earth, going through layer upon layer upon layer of the earth, healing everything in its path, ultimately coming to the surface. And know that anyone who is open to receiving this healing energy, anyone, anything open to receiving, is now receiving this wonderful and loving healing energy. And as this healing energy also travels up through you, once again traveling up through the chakra system, coming out the crown of your head, forming a fountain of healing energy that travels up, up, up into the sky. And as with a fountain, what goes up also comes down. And you notice as this healing energy now begins to rain down in beautiful raindrops, seeing the sunlight reflecting off these droplets, forming millions of tiny diamonds that rain down on everything and everyone open to receiving this wonderful, loving, healing energy. You feel your body alive, tingling with this healing energy. Now just take a few moments to simply be with this energy. And now, as you feel the vibrations, the healing deep within your body, know that you can access this healing energy. You can access the healing energy from the earth. You can access the healing energy from Source. You can access universal healing energy anytime that you want. This energy is here for all of us. know that just coming and sitting quietly in nature for a few moments, allowing your bare feet to connect with the earth, brings healing, brings calming, loving vibrations. We have connected with this energy that's available to all of us. We have now connected together. We have connected. We are as one as we share this healing energy. Feeling the energies of Mother Earth, feeling the fairies dancing around happily. Feeling the energy from the trees. Did you know that in a forest, the trees are connected, that they communicate with one another? They communicate through their root system. And know that as your roots are connected deep within the earth, you too can communicate with the natural world around you, communicating with the animals, with the insects, communicating with the plants. Feel that connection and allow that connection to be a part of your healing journey. And I ask now that the Reiki healing energy continue to work with you, through you, healing. And I thank my Reiki guides, and I thank the Reiki energy. I thank the energy from Mother Earth, and I thank the energy from Source. And I thank you all for joining me in this wonderful forest Reiki. Enjoy the rest of your day. Thank you so much for joining me.
Hi again. I really hope that you enjoyed that activating your inner healing, and that this is something that you may enjoy doing repeatedly. Connecting with any kind of healing energy it's not only healing for the recipient, but it's healing for the giver. So when I'm doing Reiki, I am benefiting from the Reiki healing energy or the universal healing energy just as much as the recipient is. So when you are doing Reiki, whether you're doing it on yourself, you are actually, or if you're doing it on someone else, you are benefiting everybody else around you. You are benefiting everybody by connecting with that inner healing that you have access to. As a thank you for being a part of this 5 Days to Fabulous summit into the forest, I will be, everybody will be receiving a copy of Mindful Meditations for Beginners. It's an ebook that I've put together, so everybody will be receiving a copy of that. If you enjoyed the Reiki, the meditation part of it, and you would like to hear some more of my meditations, I would love it if you would join my mailing list to receive a free meditation every month. So I've just started doing this, sending out free meditations every month. So, as I say, if this is something that you would like to be a part of and you would like to receive a meditation from me every month, it's yours to keep, to download, to do with as you please. Then please join my mailing list. There will be a link provided for you to do so. I will also provide you with my contact information. There'll be a screen coming up in just a moment, but it is info at lesliemcgeaghhypnosis.com, or you can check out my website at lesliemcgeaghhypnosis.com. There is a link on there if you wanted to have a free discovery call with me. I would love to connect and even just have a conversation. I always love talking about healing and spirituality and meditation. So I am always open to hearing from people and having those conversations. Or if you wanted to reach out, schedule a discovery call, you can always give me a call as well. The phone number is, I'm in Canada, so the phone number here is 289-242-6542. But as I say, I'll put all that information up on a final screen so that you have all the information should you wish to connect with me. I hope you enjoy the rest of this wonderful 5-day summit. There's some absolutely incredible practitioners that are participating, and I just truly hope that you are getting everything out of this that you are hoping for, and I look forward to connecting with some of you in the future. Bye for now.